How to cut and install balcony edge tiles, ceramic nosing installation step by step. Welcome to this complete, in-depth tutorial on how to cut and install ceramic edge tiles, nosing, on a balcony from start to finish. Whether you're a professional tiler, a contractor, or a homeowner tackling a DIY renovation project, this video walks you through every single stage of the process, from measuring and marking, to cutting the ceramic tiles at the correct angle, to properly fixing and finishing the balcony edge for a clean, durable, and professional result that will last for years. Balcony edges are one of the trickiest and most important parts of any tiling project because they are constantly exposed to weather, direct sunlight, temperature changes, foot traffic, and water runoff. This means the installation needs to be extremely precise, well planned, and executed with the right materials and techniques. In this video, we go far beyond a basic overview. We cover the exact tools you need, the safety precautions to take when cutting ceramic tile, the best cutting techniques for achieving a smooth 45° or bullnose edge, the correct adhesive and grouting methods for outdoor, balcony conditions, waterproofing considerations, and tips to avoid the most common and costly mistakes that lead to cracked tiles, water leakage, or poor edge alignment. Wrench. What you'll learn in this video: how to properly measure and mark ceramic tiles for accurate balcony edge cuts, the right tools for cutting tile nosing, wet saw, angle grinder, manual tile cutter, diamond blades, step-by-step ceramic tile cutting technique for clean, chip-free edges, how to properly install and fix balcony edge tiles for maximum durability and long-term performance, waterproofing tips and techniques to protect your balcony edge from water damage and future leaks, how to achieve a smooth, polished, professional finish on tile nosing, common mistakes to avoid when installing balcony edge tiles, how to choose the right adhesive, grout, and sealant for outdoor balcony conditions, tips for working with different tile materials and thicknesses, how to handle curved or irregular balcony edges, maintenance advice to keep your balcony tiles looking great for years to come. House. Why balcony edge tiling matters. A poorly installed balcony edge can lead to serious problems down the line, including water infiltration into the building structure, tile cracking due to thermal expansion, loosening or detachment of tiles over time, and costly repairs that could have been avoided with proper technique from the start. Balconies are exposed to constant environmental stress, rain, sun, heat, cold, and humidity, so every step of the installation, from substrate preparation to the final grout line, plays a critical role in the long-term durability of the finished surface. This tutorial is designed to help you avoid those issues entirely by following proven, professional techniques used by experienced tile installers who specialize in outdoor and balcony applications. Hammer and wrench tools and materials covered in this video. Throughout this tutorial, we discuss the essential tools of the trade, including wet tile saws for precision cutting, angle grinders with diamond blades for shaping and finishing edges, tile nippers for detail work, notched trowels for adhesive application, rubber mallets for proper tile seating, spacers for consistent grout lines, level and measuring tools for accuracy, and safety equipment including eye protection, gloves, and dust masks. We also talk about selecting the right ceramic or porcelain nosing tiles, choosing between flexible outdoor adhesives, waterproof membrane options, and grout types formulated to withstand outdoor exposure. Clipboard step-by-step process breakdown. Preparing the balcony surface and substrate before installation, measuring and planning the layout for the edge tiles, marking cut lines accurately on each ceramic tile, cutting the tiles safely and precisely using the correct tools, test fitting the cut tiles before permanent installation, applying adhesive correctly. For outdoor, balcony conditions, installing and aligning the edge tiles with proper spacing, checking for level and adjusting as needed, allowing proper curing time before grouting the tiles with weather resistant grout, sealing the edges to prevent water infiltration, final cleaning and inspection for a professional finish. Whether you're renovating your own home, working as a contractor on a client's balcony, or simply want to learn a new skill in tiling and ceramic work, this video gives you all the practical, real-world knowledge you need to do the job right the first time. No guesswork, no shortcuts, just proven professional methods explained clearly and simply. Frequently asked questions covered. What's the best angle to cut balcony edge tiles? Can I use regular indoor tile adhesive for outdoor balconies? How do I prevent water from getting under the tiles? What's the difference between bullnose and 45-degree mitered edges? How long should I wait before walking on newly installed balcony tiles? What type of grout works best for outdoor balcony conditions? Pushpin, don't forget to thumbs up like this video if you found it helpful. It really supports the channel. Bell, subscribe and turn on notifications for more tutorials on tile cutting, marble restoration, floor leveling, grinding, honing, polishing, and general construction and renovation tips. Speech balloon, leave a comment below if you have any questions about balcony tile installation. We try to reply to as many comments as possible. Sent mail. Share this video with anyone who's planning a balcony renovation or working on a similar project. Check out our other videos on marble floor leveling, mirror polishing techniques, and full floor restoration projects. Keywords: balcony edge tile installation, how to cut ceramic tile, tile nosing installation, balcony tiling tutorial, ceramic tile cutting technique, outdoor balcony tiles, balcony edge finishing, professional tile installation guide, DIY balcony tiling, waterproof balcony edge tiles, balcony renovation, tile cutting for beginners, ceramic nosing tiles, balcony waterproofing, outdoor tile adhesive, balcony tile grouting, bullnose tile edge, 45-degree tile cut, professional tiling techniques, balcony construction tips. Not all balcony edges are the same, and choosing the right style makes a huge difference in both appearance and function. In this section of the video, we break down the most common balcony nosing styles, including straight bullnose edges, rounded bullnose edges, 45-degree mitered corners, L-shaped angle profiles, and drip edge designs that help direct water away from the building facade. We explain the pros and cons of each style, which tools work best for cutting them, and how to decide which style suits your specific balcony design, tile thickness, and climate conditions. Sun behind rain cloud weather considerations and climate-specific tips. Balcony tiling isn't a one-size-fits-all process. Climate plays a huge role in material selection and installation technique. We discuss how to adapt your approach for hot, sunny climates where thermal expansion is a major concern, humid or rainy climates where waterproofing and drainage slope become critical, and cold climates where freeze-thaw cycles can crack tiles and grout if the wrong materials are used. We also cover the importance of proper slope, fall, toward the drainage point so water never pools on the balcony. Surface. Brick substrate preparation. The step most people skip. One of the biggest reasons balcony tile installations fail isn't the tiles themselves, it's poor substrate preparation. We go into detail on how to check the existing surface for cracks, unevenness, or previous water damage, how to apply a waterproofing membrane correctly before any tiling begins, how to prime the surface for better adhesive bonding, and why skipping this step is one of the most common causes of tile failure within the first year. Scissors. Advanced cutting techniques. Beyond the basics, we also demonstrate advanced cutting methods for tricky situations.